Let the set A be equal to the set of numbers 1, 2, 5, 7, and let set B be equal to the set of numbers 1, 5, 9, 12. Find the following. A intersection B. So for A intersection B, we want to find those elements that are in A and are also in B. So what we really need to do is simply look at all the elements of A to see if they're in B. If they are, then they're part of the intersection of A and B. So here's 1, here's 1. So 1 is in the intersection. 2 is not in B, so it's not part of the intersection. 5 is in B, so that's part of the intersection. 7 is not part of B. We now have found the intersection of A and B, which is the set of numbers 1, 5.